Hi guys! This is my tutorial for a glow-in-the-dark PEEKABOO ghost tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Now I'm going to be ready to add my glow-in-the-dark background for my ghosts. I really want my tumbler to glow, like you can see this sucker from space glow, so I'm going to be pretty heavy-handed with the glow micas, but y'all know I'm extra, so don't feel like you need to add as much as I do. Add as much or as little as you like. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add some sparkle in our next layer. I know, but do it, okay? Do it. While this layer cures, let's make our spooky mix. Our tumbler is cured, and now we can add our ghost stencils. This design is literally the stainless steel version of our snow globe tumbler we made a few weeks ago. It was so cute, I had to make a stainless steel version. These are the same ghosts we used then, and they are from design bundles, and come with the ghosts and the outlines. I'll have them linked below in the description box. Don't forget to check out the description box, y'all. I have a list of everything I use as well as some discount codes to help you save some coins. I can't be having y'all use all this glitter and not help y'all out. Now, can I? So now you have no excuse to be extra, okay? So do it. Now I'm adding glue to my stencils so I can find them under the glitter that we'll be adding in a bit. I'll be using fast set epoxy to apply my glitter, but you can do whatever method is easiest for you, whether it be the Evil Mod Podge, spray, paint, I don't know, some people use, or is it hairspray? Anyways, I also like to give some extra dimension to my tumblers, and instead of just using the custom mix we made all over the tumbler, I'm going to add Midnight to the top and bottom, and then fill in the middle with the custom mix. It'll add the perfect little something something to your tumbler. Because I used fast set to apply my glitter, I'm going to immediately pull my ghost stencils. Let your glitter layer cure, then we'll be ready for the next step. Sometimes when I make a peekaboo, the glitter gets on my peekaboo areas, and sometimes, I'm saying sometimes a lot. Anyways, I don't mind normally, but in this case, the dark glitter takes away from my design, so I'm taking my X-Acto knife and I'll be scraping off the glitter and kind of loosening it up, then using tape to remove the excess glitter. I do this anytime I make a peekaboo and don't want the extra glitter on my peekaboo areas. When I was done, I sealed my tumbler. I baptized my tumbler, y'all, with Krylon Triple Thick to make sure no more glitter moves onto my peekaboo. And then I'm ready to epoxy. I added a layer of epoxy to my tumbler, and I was not going to add any more glitter, fam. I know, right? Ridiculous. But then I remembered Amuck from Peachy Olive, which is an awesome glitter to have this time of year because it has all the favorite spooky colors. So I decided to add just a small amount into my leftover epoxy and apply it to my tumbler in the glittered areas. Some of the glitter did end up moving after I popped the bubbles, so I took my X-Acto knife and kind of plucked them off and put them on a paper towel. Let this layer cure, then we'll be ready to add our ghost outlines. I sealed my outlines with a coat of epoxy, then I was ready to add my decal. This design though, if you don't want to add a decal, you definitely don't have to. I just went ahead and added one, but you can definitely go without. If you'd like to use the same decal I'm using, you can find it in my Etsy shop. I'll have it linked below in the description box. I'll be placing my signature on the bottom of this tumbler, and the morning mugs from the Tipsy Magnolia, formerly the Steel Magnolia, are perfect to make a glittered bottom. I pop off the bottom using a screwdriver and a mallet, then I'm going to be filling it in with glitter and UV resin. Cure it, then I'm going to add my signature, seal with a final coat of UV resin, and then it will be ready for a final coat of epoxy all over the tumbler. Well, not all over. I leave my bottom stainless, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I sealed my tumbler till it was nice and smooth, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your glow-in-the-dark ghost tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!